Yeah. Ah, blackbird. We are at Kannebäckskogen. And I don't really know where we're walking today. Just going somewhere. And enjoy the morning light. I would guess there would be other paths going up. Oh yeah, we went this way last time, huh? But the ground is frozen because it's been below zero all night. No, I have no plan today what we are supposed to do. I just walk and figure something out. Okay, that is interesting. Does it go down there? Yeah, I know. Trying to not film our street at the sun. Okay, we go here. So this is as far to this side we get. Oh yeah. Yeah, morning sun, straight in the ice. Sorry, no, Ammo, no. Yes, that is because you are being difficult, Ammo. This is why I have to put a stick prohibition, no stick play, unless very certain things. Because he gets so obsessive with it. Okay. I think the path went there once upon a time. Don't know where it goes now. There it goes. I like this forest. It's not very big either. It's close to our local forest. Part of the same section, I would say. And here's the thing. I think we lost all the paths now. You don't care, you just walk on. During the dark months, it's really important to get some sun at least. When I say path ammo, that is very, very, very nice to call it that. I'm just wondering, Ammo, are you just going straight forward because it's fun? Yeah, I like this mixed forest, pine and oak. Oh dear. Yeah, you lead me to the funniest places, Ammo, you know that. Left is not an option. Yeah, you found the path. But that Ammo, sweetie. Nice, there is a path coming here. But yeah, could be animal. I mean, this place would be really nice in late spring, I would suspect. A lot of oak here. Often we have come down further this way. we are exploring, so I like to know this forest a little better. Yeah, I know where we are. So we could have walked a different way. Actually, we are going to turn to our right. Yeah, we've never been here either, huh? I have no idea what this looks like. And do I suspect there is a path going up here? Maybe. Let us see. Don't know. Amber is sniffing way out, I would say. We're hunting mode today. That's all fine and dandy, huh? I'm surprised there's no real path here. Maybe it is underneath all the leaves, but... Okay, I think you found a viewing point. Well, the problem is we have the sun in that direction. Oh, no, go around. Oh yeah, we are below where we normally are. Lots and lots of acorns on the ground. Kind of having a function like a ball bearing. So now I understand whether there is a path here. That's because of orienteering. I see the control over there, so... Is that a path? Well, possibly. Kinda. We are not even going that way. For your information. Easy. That could have ended badly. Sweetie, do you want a treat? Amo? Amo, hey. Let's make you think on other stuff. Could we? Like, do you want a treat? I think Amo got some very fresh tracks to follow. Because she started pulling and started not thinking. It almost took us all the way to the villas over there. Okay. But, yeah. Some clouds coming. Huh. I know where you're going, Amo, and I actually approve a little. Because you had zero water. Amo? Have you seen what this is? There's ice on it. You didn't want to drink, okay. Water didn't look that nice either, so... Yeah, this is where all the jogging trails are. Yeah, but we are continuing now in the forest. Yeah, we have gone these many times. Well, I love these. It's a very clever way to do things. You have houses on both sides, but then you leave like a string of forest between, which is wide enough. It's not far between. It's like 150 meters something. But you get these forests. I always think this is the wrong way, Emma. When we get here. Yeah, we took the wrong way. We always do, Emma. This is 100% there. Because it doesn't look like it continues that way. But it kinda does. Yeah, they're playing football, Emma. No. You don't have to talk to them. Well, we should aim to be in forest all the time, or most of the time. All the time won't work. I think the best way is through here. I'm thinking that we go out on the straight into the sun, huh? So she didn't want to take the long way around. She wanted to go where the feeders were. Yeah, this is a small forest as well. And you want a treat. Nice. Yeah, well, should we take a peek today? Everything grass. Well, that is the peak. Peak. What? So? Peak. Yeah. Well, it's not mountaineering now, but yeah, local forest ahead. We have a decision to make. And you will have to make that decision, Amo. Local forest. Or should we go the road down? Even going in the middle of the road to not showcase anything. Where do you want to go? Okay. Yeah. You tell me. Yeah, you tell me. Not up here. Not into the forest there. She looks at me. Looks. Are you sure? It's been a nice one though. Get out in the wind. Yeah.